Hey buddy, it's John here with another Construct 2 tutorial. I was doing some GDevelop, but we actually came into some issues to where I would save a file and it would not load properly. So as I would actually try to get out a part video like tutorial, it would not load each part correctly. So it's kind of hard for me to create an actual like series or even a demo type setup where it won't load the file or the file's corrupt. So I'm actually talking to the developer to see what's going on. If is it just this like addition or like the this release that's buggy. I'm also playing with previous versions, so I decided, yeah, I'm gonna stick around with Construct 2. I decided to take a look at some other game engines to do some videos on those until the developer's gotten back to me and has either seen if it's my error or if it's if there's an actual like bug in opening up a file. So right now, we're working on a basically space zombie. So basically, you have to stop the ships from getting to the space station. Very simple game, but we're going to be releasing this onto Android for you guys to actually play around with, and onto Windows Phone and web. So we'll actually be practicing putting out a simple game that we can create, that you guys can create, and then actually putting it onto an actual platform, which I haven't actually done. So we'll be doing that actually. So our layout is this Construct 2 logo. Layout 2 is a very simple touch menu, space zombies, an animated background, play, exit. And then layout 3 is an animated background, a spawner, an object that basically spawns another object. The ships, or so we say it's basic animated frames, but it's basically one sprite storing 13 other sprites. I know it says 12. It starts with 0. And then based off of whatever that sprite is, it will then spawn that sprite. Now, some of these will be specialty sprites, like number 1 will be like a suicide like device that then explodes, or like number 9, yeah, it's another suicide device, whatever. So when we get to like those where it says, hey, if set, I have this for a some of this, if you've seen the what do you call it, my card tutorials, this would be our random card picker. So if a set variable, like I think it was 3 and 9, if those are chosen, those will have special variables added onto them. Else, it's a normal ship. So we have global number ship equals 0, global number ran equals 0, function. So on a function, you actually have to insert new object, and they're actually going to be should be on data storage or right next to web. They're not in here because I already imported them in. On ran function, set return value. So you type in choose, and then since I have 13 ships, it's 0 through actually it's to me 0 through 12, not 0 through 13. And then every 4 seconds, the red cube is going to spawn sprite 9 or 49 on layer 0, and then the sprite is going to set the animation frame, the animated frame, to ship, and then that function is called ran, and system set ship to function return. So basically this ran is going to pick up on these random variables, and it's randomly going to choose 0 through 12, and the set return value of that is going to go to the set animation of the ship. So when we run layout, that's randomly going to choose a ship. And then your job is to basically destroy those ships by tapping on them. So that would actually be on the view. And there you go. Now, what we're going to add to this is the ability to add space turrets, or should we say space bombs, to destroy ships that are incoming. Say there's way too many, you can plant a bomb, it explodes, you can destroy a whole bunch. And then we're also going to add ads into this. So you can say, hey, because you want to add ad rev. You watch one ad, you get 10 bombs. Yeah, the return's not so great, but it's more based on you want a lot of people actually playing this. So it's not based on, hey, they have to watch 50,000 ads. It's more based on, hey, I got 100,000 people to watch one single ad, which actually raises your ad ranking in this system. So I know this video is kind of short. In the next one, we're going to be working on integration into platforms, ad revenue. So we're going to integrate like some Android ad rev stuff into it, and then we're going to take it for a little test run, open up a little store. So if you do watch a ad, it's going to be worth so many points in the actual in-game store. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.